Oh, you guys are ready? Awesome. Cool. Listen, what's up, mi gente? Here at AMC Unicon, if you buy a product for 25 florins and up, you get entered into a raffle that they're giving away on the 23rd of this month. And it's something actually spectacular. It's a grill, it's beers, and guess what? You even get the meat to throw on it. But I'm here to show you guys how to use this grill. So let's go. All right, so let's get this thing started. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the grill, the same model that they're gonna give away, and we're gonna make some different foods on it. But I'm gonna start with things that you didn't even know you can make on a grill. So follow me, check this out. All right, over here I have a lot of the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. Over here we have, obviously we got the grill hot, ready to go. The first thing that I'm gonna make is a pizza, okay? So let's get started. You're gonna add some yeast to it, and I'm gonna pour some water, a little bit of olive oil. Mix it up, kind of get the ingredients going, and then if you see that it's too dry, you could always add a little bit more water. See, the problem is you can't take more water out, okay? I'm gonna add a tiny bit more oil as the sugar to survive. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good consistency. Now you just use your hands, press it down, use both hands if you want, use a clean cloth, and let it rise for just a second. All right, so we were able to get the dough to rise just a little bit. We flattened it out already. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the grill for just a little bit with nothing on, okay? Let me spray it down just a bit so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna lower the heat and then I'm gonna close this. All right, so what we're doing is we're allowing the grill to basically heat up the bread on one side. And then when we flip it, we're gonna add all the ingredients, and it has to move very quick. I have to do it within maybe a 20-second time span. So let me check it. All right, so basically what we do is we check, we give it a nice flip, and then we start adding the ingredients for the pizza right on top. And in this situation, you have to move pretty quickly. All right, so come closer really quick. Take a look at this pizza. This is what came out from us making the pizza. Wow, it's actually very crispy. Yes. All right, so next what we're gonna do is, in order of cook time, we're gonna add, we had the ribs on earlier, we just took them off. You saw me prep them, and then basically I took them off to cool down a bit. Next, I'm gonna take the chicken, I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Here we have a nice ribeye. We're gonna put that right on the grill. Get some salt and pepper. All right, so here we have the ribs. Ooh, it's really nice and tender. We'll put a little bit of balsamic glaze that I made just to add to the flavor. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle it with sugar on both sides. All right, so I think that wraps it up. We got a little something sweet to end the night with. But now you see that grills are versatile. You can use them for anything, from a pizza to chicken to steak. Basically, it's to where your mind, the sky's the limit, basically. All right, so I'm gonna taste this, and then we're out of here. Make sure you guys come and visit here at AMC Unicon. Put your raffle in after you buy a 25 florin purchase and up, and see if you can win this bad boy.